Welcome back to RV Heaven, the channel where we turn RV confusion into total confidence. And today, we're doing something a lot of you have been waiting for. We are transforming this RV interior for just $500. And I'm not talking about tiny decorations. I mean a real visible, dramatic makeover that changes how this entire RV feels to live in. So, if you've ever looked around your RV and thought, I wish this didn't look like a 2004 motel room on wheels, this video is for you. Before we start, hit subscribe and like us right now, because this is part 1 of a full-budget RV transformation series, and you do not want to miss what this place looks like at the end. This is what we're starting with. Dark cabinets, outdated colors, zero personality, and that classic RV old hotel vibe. But look at this. Same RV, same space, $500. Let me show you how. Why this matters. Relatability. Here's the truth nobody tells RV owners. You don't need a $5,000 renovation. You don't need to replace furniture. You don't need a professional. You just need to change what your eyes see first when you walk in. Because RV interiors are 80% visual illusion. And today, we start hacking that illusion. Before buying anything, I made a plan. Because if you don't plan, $500 disappears in 20 minutes at a hardware store. Here's the strategy. We are only touching 4 things. 1. Cabinet color. 2. Wall tone. 3. Hardware. 4. Lighting vibe. That's it. We are not replacing anything expensive. We are reskinning the RV. Here's everything I bought for this makeover. Cabinet paint. Mini roller kit. Sandpaper. Degreaser. Modern cabinet handles. Peel and stick backsplash, LED warm lights, the contact paper for the table, small decor accents, total cost, $487. And I'll show you exactly where every dollar went. If you want the full product list and links, check the description. I've listed everything there so you can copy this exact makeover. Step 1, prep work, the part of people skip. This is where most DIY projects fail, not the paint. The prep, I removed every handle. Cleaned every cabinet with degreaser. Lightly sanded the surfaces. This part is boring, but this is what makes the paint look factory finished. Instead of weekend DIY disaster. Step 2. Cabinet transformation. The moment the first coat went on, everything changed. These dark, heavy cabinets instantly started looking modern. And here's a pro tip. You don't need perfect coverage on coat 1. You just need patience. 2 coats later, you won't believe it's the same RV. Step 3, hardware swap. Huge impact, tiny cost. This might be the most important part of this entire renovation. The handles. Old RV handles scream cheap factory furniture. New matte black modern handles. Instant luxury feel. This cost less than $40, but it changed the entire personality of the cabinets. If you're already seeing the difference, hit that one like B button. It tells me you want part 2 of this makeover faster. Step 4. Peel and stick backsplash. This is the secret weapon. RV walls are usually plain, boring, and lifeless. This backsplash adds texture, depth, and a residential feel. No tools, no mess, no commitment. But massive visual upgrade. Lighting vibe. RV lighting is usually harsh white. I swapped it with warm LED strips under cabinets. Suddenly, the RV feels like a tiny home, not a vehicle. Lighting is mood. Mood is comfort. Step 6. Table and surface makeover. Using contact paper, I transformed this scratch table into a modern wood finish. Cost? Under $20. Impact? Looks like a brand new dinette. Look at this. Same RV, different energy, different mood, different life. Why white cabinets? Because RVs are small. Light colors make them feel twice as big. Why black hardware? Contraste modern. Why warm lights? Because comfort beats brightness. This isn't random decoration. This is intentional design for small spaces. And this is only part 1. We haven't touched seating, curtains, floor, and decor theme. That's coming next. Subscribe to RV Heaven right now, because part 2 is where this RV goes from nice DIY to, is this a tiny luxury home? Trust me, you want to see what happens next. If you've been living in an RV that feels old, dark, and outdated, you don't need a new RV. You just need a $500 plan, and we're just getting started. I'll see you in part 2. In part 1, we completely changed the look of this RV with just paint, hardware, and lighting. But today, We're doing the part that actually makes this RV feel like a tiny luxury home. This is where the magic happens. Before we start, hit subscribe now, because this is the episode where everything comes together. And you're about to see a $500 RV look like something from a design magazine. Previously, dark cabinets, old handles, cold lighting. Now, bright, modern, clean. But it still doesn't feel cozy. That changes today. Step 7. Curtains and soft textures. RV windows are often the biggest design problem. Old fabric, heavy patterns, dated look. I replaced them with light, neutral curtains. Cost, $35. Impact. The entire RV instantly feels taller, wider, and softer. Soft textures are what make a space feel livable. Step 8. Seating transformation. New furniture? Too expensive? So here's the trick. I used fitted couch covers and neutral throw pillows. Cost, under $60. Now this dinette and couch don't look like RV furniture. They look like apartment furniture. If this is giving you ideas for your own RV, hit like. This is exactly why RV Heaven exists. Step 9. Rug instant home feel. Nothing says vehicle more than exposed RV flooring. A simple rug fixes that. Cost, $25. But it visually defines the living space and adds warmth. Step 10. Wall decor and personality. Blank RV walls feel temporary. A few framed prints and small decor pieces completely change that. Now it feels personal. Intentional. Step 11. Layered lighting. I added small warm lamps and corner lights. Now at night. This RV feels like a cozy cabin, not a campsite box. Lighting at night is what truly changes how you experience your RV. Comment below. Would you live in this RV now? I read every comment, and I want to know.